Today we are exploring an important topic: how to manage car loans after the unfortunate passing of a loved one. We'll discuss the options available and the steps you can take to navigate this challenging situation. Before we dive into the details, let's go over what we will cover in this video. We'll talk about understanding the loan agreement, the immediate steps you should take, options you can explore, important considerations to keep in mind, and of course, finish with a disclaimer and some final thoughts. In this section, we will discuss the terms of the loan agreement. Often, car loans have clauses that require the balance to be paid in full upon the borrower's passing, which can directly impact your responsibilities. When faced with this situation, there are 3 immediate actions to consider. First, assess the car's market value to understand if it aligns with the loan balance. Next, take the time to thoroughly review the loan documents to understand specific terms. And finally, contact the lender strategically and explain the situation while inquiring about alternative payment options like plans or refinancing. Let's take a moment to test your knowledge with a quick quiz. What is a crucial first step when dealing with a car loan after a death? Here are your options: assessing the car's value, immediate repayment, ignoring the lender. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is assessing the car's value. Understanding the car's market value helps gauge your financial standing and potential strategies for managing the loan. Beyond the initial steps, you have several options to consider. You might look into obtaining a personal loan to cover the debt, though be aware of the interest rates. Selling estate assets or the car itself could also be a solution. Refinancing the car loan under your name could make payments more manageable. Consultation with a legal expert can provide insights specific to your situation. Starting the probate process allows you to legally manage the estate's debts. Finally, try escalating the issue to a manager at the lending institution for more options. Let's highlight some important considerations. Act swiftly to minimize the risk of repossession. Be prepared for delays in title transfer, especially if the car is part of the probate process. Remember, you are not personally responsible for the debt as long as you didn't sign the loan agreement. It's crucial to remember that the information provided here is purely for informational purposes and should not be taken as financial or legal advice. Always consult with a professional for guidance tailored to your specific situation. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below.